Good morning. I am Dr. Subhash here. Now I would like to talk on a different topic than the one I was discussing previously. Health sector and government's apathy and what the government should do to improve our health sector. Though all of us are speaking about business, how to improve our lifestyle, how to earn revenue and everything, there is a certain sect of population which cannot even afford a meal per day, or which cannot afford a proper health treatment for their kids. As you remember, an incident happened in Delhi where 2 children were refused treatment for dengue fever and they had to roam the whole of Delhi, and it came in all the newspapers. Friends, I would like to tell you, this is not the problem of the doctors or the patient or anybody. It's a problem of our country. It's government's apathy, or government has to do a lot of things towards preventive medicine. I will tell you what problem would have happened in those patients. We are, as a pediatricians, our country has about 2,000 pediatric intensivists. And a child of the age group of 8 to 10, they are more prone for diseases like dengue, and dengue is very severe in those children. Though the private hospitals are equipped, they couldn't afford a bed for the patient because the patient was bad. And pediatric intensivist availability is very scarce in our country. Though a lot of medical colleges are there, and though a lot of nurses are being churned out every year, the super speciality in pediatric intensivist is very low. So what happens? The patient suffers, the country suffers. The government should come up with the policies wherein every citizen of India can afford a cashless facility or a cashless treatment. Every country has a GDP, and on that this much of budget has to be allocated to the health industry, which does not happen. Health is the last on their agenda, or even in our individual's agenda. We take healthcare to the least possible point. Actually, it should be the topmost agenda. 6th decade, 5th decade people are more conscious about the health and everything, not the younger generation. And as you know, nobody saves money for health. It's actually the responsibility of the government. Abroad, developed countries, they all have the budget allocated for the health, and there, even if the patient has to undergo a renal transplant, let him be a driver, let him be a slum dweller, he is entitled to that. That is democracy. In our country, we don't have that. The rich get treated well. The poor, if he goes to a good center, bed is available, yes, he will be treated. If bed is not available, then he is left to God whether he survives or not. So we have to think a lot of rethinking about our health sector and see that we improve so that every citizen of India gets treated. This is a dream which everybody should have. Thank you.
Thank you.